Welcome to the fascinating world of AI-powered video creation. AI has revolutionized the way we approach video creation, offering a wide range of capabilities from custom avatars to scripting and more. In this guide, we'll dive into the realm of innovation where artificial intelligence breathes life into video, changing the way we create content. We'll explore Heygen AI, an advanced platform at the forefront of this technology's development. Let's get started. Part 1. Create an account. To try this free feature, you must create a free trial account. You can find the registration link in the description of this video. Once the website is fully loaded, click the Try Heygen for free button, then click the Sign Up button to begin the registration process. You can sign up using your email, Gmail, or Facebook account. Once the registration process is complete, you will receive free accounts. 2. Templates. After logging into Heygen, you can select from a variety of templates tailored to your preferences, including options such as e-commerce, breaking news, learning and development, explainer video, and social media. Kindly choose the template that best aligns with your specific needs. Part 3. Create video. Click on Create Video to generate a customized video in either landscape or portrait orientation. Heygen provides an extensive array of avatars, with some exclusive options requiring upgrades for specific accounts, while the majority remain freely accessible. Choose your preferred avatar to initiate the video creation process. Furthermore, there are numerous avatar customization features with a particular emphasis on face swap. Default options are available, or you can upload an image of your choice to modify your avatar's appearance. Once face swap is selected, click on the element, choose an image or video, and set it as the background for a seamless and professional video creation experience. Part 4. Creating outfits. Step 1. You can adjust your AI avatar's outfit by navigating Avatar. Click the Studio Avatar button and select Create AI Outfit Avatar. Step 2. In the dialog screen, select the avatar you want to use. Step 3. Use built-in reminders or import your own to fit your specific requirements. Click Submit to instruct the AI to create options based on your prompts. Step 4. Choose the outfit style suggested by AI and click Submit to start creating the outfit. The AI tool will come up with 4 outfit options. If not satisfied, click Refresh to create a new set. Once you've found the optimal choice, select your profile picture and click Save to save it to your profile picture library. Now you can use the avatar with the outfit you chose to create your video. Part 5. Create script and export video. Generate audio scripts. Input your text or audio script into Heygen. Benefit from Heygen's capability to produce audio for videos featuring diverse voices from various countries. Alternatively, translate an existing audio script into another language. Once your script is prepared, select Play Scripts to review and ensure alignment with your preferences. When satisfied with the script, proceed to the final step. Choose Submit to initiate the video creation process.
Thank you for watching the video. Explore Heygen AI by following the link provided in the video description to craft your personalized content. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to the AI Spotlight channel for more insightful content.